Hey guys, and welcome back. Yes, today is another advent calendar unboxing. I am bringing to you the NYX Love, Lust, and Disco 12 Days of Lip Calendar. Now, I know what you're thinking. I just did a review on the NYX Love, Lust, Disco 24-day lip calendar. I have it right here. I actually ordered these at the same time. This one off Ulta Beauty's website for $60, and this one off of Look Fantastic, which is a UK website. So I ordered these two at the same time, roughly, and I was thinking that this larger one was gonna be the full makeup advent calendar, that it was gonna have eyeshadows, lip colors, and I always forget what else it has in it, but it was supposed to be the all-around makeup calendar, at least I thought it was. So I honestly debated sending one of these back, but then I was like, I think it's different stuff inside of it, because I did take a little sneak peek back here. You know, I figured why not unbox it and compare the 24 to the 12. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I do have a couple more advent calendars coming your guys' way. I'm sorry they're a little bit spread out at the moment. I was planning to have them back to back to back to back to back like I talked about, and life kind of got in the way. We're in the middle of house hunting at the moment. I don't want to jinx anything and say too much about it. I do believe in jinxing myself, so I don't want to say too much about it. I know I'm crazy, but we are in the process of buying our first home. Hopefully, fingers crossed, if all goes well. So it's been a very time-consuming process. I have had nothing but houses on the brain. We've been going to tons and tons of open houses, basically every day or every other day, and it takes hours upon hours of time to do that. So I apologize, my videos have been a little bit spread out. It's just the way life is happening right now. It's very intense. Hopefully we are gonna be getting a house soon, and then things will kind of calm down a little bit. Of course, we'll then have to move again. Oh my gosh, so much to do. But yeah, that's a little life update in the middle of this, in case you guys were wondering what's going on with me. I need to do a chit chat, get ready with me very soon, so that way I can just ramble. But anyways, let's get back to this 12-day lip calendar. Pretty excited. This smaller version, let me make sure I get it right. Ooh, it's coming apart here at the sides. Ugh, kind of flimsy on the sides here. This one is $39.50, which for half the amount you get in the large one, I was thinking that this should be more priced at 30 bucks, because you're getting half the stuff. You know what I mean? I don't know. We'll see what ends up coming in here. If it's all deluxe sizes like the other one, I'm gonna be pissed. Just being honest with you guys. 40 bucks for 12 deluxe. Let's hope it's not that. But like with anything, I always use a coupon code, and on Look Fantastic's website, there are a lot of coupon codes that you can use. Sometimes they have coupon codes that they display on the homepage, or you can Google different coupon codes and things like that, which is usually what I do until one works. So you can always get it for a little bit cheaper. I know I certainly did. All right, but let's just go ahead and get started with day number 1. So let's do number 1 right over here. Oh, hey, that is full size, my friends. That is full. Already, I'm really excited about this because this is different than the other one. We got a full-size item here. I need to stop shaking it. And a different formula. This is one of the NYX Lip Lingeries. This one has a retail value of $7, and I got the shade Seduction. I do have, I think, 1 or 2 lip lingeries by them, and I do like the formula. It is one of those that will dry down on the lips. So that is a little bit of a personal preference to everybody if they like that kind of a formula. I personally do. So I'm just gonna wipe away the lip color I have on, which actually was a combination of my NYX deluxe sizes I got in the previous calendar. So let's wipe that away and try on Seduction. One thing's for sure, I'm happy that this one only has 12, because by the end of the 24 lip swatches last time, my lips were raw. They started cracking almost immediately and bleeding certain places. I had to use a lot of lip balm. But here is the shade already drying down the lips. And I think that's a really pretty shade. I like this one. All right, going on to day number 2 now, down here. Okay, is this full or is this sample? Oh, this is full. Pretty positive. Let me double check here. Yes, so another full size item. I did double check with the amount of product that you get in here. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This one has a retail value of $6.50, and we got the shade London. Again, this is another shade I would really see myself wearing. It's right up my alley so far, these 2 colors. Let's move on to day number 3, right up top here. Oh, I'm thinking this is gonna be a all full-size box. That's at least what it's looking like to me, because this is again another full-size item. It is a butter gloss formula. Oh, this one I did receive as a deluxe size in the previous box. I think it's actually pretty funny. It's the gloss I was wearing at the start of this video. It is the butter gloss in Madeline. I went ahead and swatched the deluxe size I'd received earlier. That way this full size I'm able to gift away since I don't need 2 of them. And the retail value of the butter gloss is $5. So this one I did really enjoy, as you can tell by me wearing it again. Just a very pretty shade, good gloss. Love the scent of the butter glosses. So yeah, here's Madeline. I'm definitely liking the shade range so far. This is totally me. Now we are moving on to number 4, just over here. Whoa, that one broke half. Not pretty. The 4th lip product in the box is their liquid suede formula. Again, another full-size product. And this one is another repeating shade from the larger advent calendar. So now we have 2 that are repeating, but this time it is, of course, full size versus the deluxe. The shade I got is Soft Spoken, and the full size value is $7. Again, I'm gonna save that one for someone else and just use the deluxe size for the try on. Uh-oh, I feel like this is where the lip line is about to go. It's starting to waver. Definitely really enjoy that color too. I mean, it seems like it's a very neutral kind of themed box, which I'm all about. Day number 5, let's do this. Oh, what is this? We now have a Suede Matte lipstick formula. Cute packaging. Oh wow, that is pink. Just when I was thinking the box was all neutrals. Wow. This extra hot pink shade is called Clinger, and this lipstick retails for $8. Wowza. This is gonna be intense on me. Let's see how this looks. Whew. I feel like this one is a very difficult shade to be able to pull off. And I am not one of those people. I cannot pull off the shade. At least in my opinion, I don't think I look good in this. You know, personal preference is just not really my cup of tea. So let's just go ahead and move on to number 6. The 6th lip product inside the box is a Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream. This shade is another one that I got inside the larger lip advent calendar. It is the Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in Copenhagen, and this one has a value of $7 for the full size. Ooh, these pink lips after that lipstick. Here is Copenhagen. Day number 7. Where you at? And you're upside down. All right, 7. Whoop, took everything with me. All right, so looking like we got ourselves another butter gloss formula. Now this is our 4th lip color that is the same as the larger calendar, and I just like to keep track of that so that way we kind of know if you're looking at both calendars what you're going to be getting inside of both ones. So I'm keeping track of that for you guys. This is the butter gloss in Tiramisu, which the butter gloss has a value of $6.50. This is a nice pink glossy shade, I think. Number 8. Let's do this. Whoa! Look at this shade. Oh my gosh, this is intense. This is another soft matte lip cream in the shade Transylvania. Call me crazy, I like it. Number 9. Man, we're almost through this calendar. That one did not want to open as easily. 9th up in the box is another liquid suede formula. This is an interesting one. I had to do a double take here. This is the liquid suede metallic matte. I didn't even know they had these. This one is in the shade Bella and it retails for $7.50. Oh yeah, this one is definitely more what I think of when I think of a metallic lip. This one is very shiny on the lip, so if you want something a little more subtle, go for the soft matte metallic. That one is not as in your face as this liquid suede metallic formula. It's pretty, but it's just not really for me. Oh man, just a couple more to go now. On to number 10. We have a second lip lingerie. Now we have the shade Bedtime Flirt. And again, this one is $7. Ignore the hideous lip line at this point, but this was a pretty color. Day number 11. Let's do this. Over here. We now have our third soft matte lip cream of the box. This is also now our 5th repeating shade from the larger advent calendar. It's in the shade Canes, and again, the soft matte lip cream has a value of $6.50. So I'm gonna use the deluxe to swatch out, so that way I don't open up the full size. A nice soft pink shade. Ooh, last one, you guys. Just 12 swatches in and my lips are still dying. Oh, well, that's different. We now got one of the powder puff lippies. Ooh, I like that the last one is something completely different. Let's watch together in entertainment. Ignore how wonky these butter glosses have gotten. They just keep smudging all the way up onto my sweater that I'm wearing. But this is the last color we got. It is in the shade Best Buds. And this is a full-size item again, which has a value of $8.50. But here are all of the shades that come inside of this advent calendar. It sounded like bowling pins. I knocked over all the lips. Not a bad shade. That now wraps up this 12-day of lips calendar by NYX. So let's kind of go over it really quickly. Again, here are the swatches of all of the lip colors that are in there. I'm sorry some of them got so wacky looking. I just couldn't help it. There was no stopping it at this point. And in total, let's go over it. We got 1 Powerpuff Lippy, 1 Suede Matte Lipstick, 2 Lip Lingeries, 3 Soft Matte Lip Creams, 1 Liquid Suede Matte Formula, and another Liquid Suede Metallic Formula, 2 Butter Glosses, and finally 1 Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream. So, let me set those down. So that is everything that we got inside of this advent calendar. As far as value goes, everything was full size. Let me add up how much everything was in the box. In total for this advent calendar, I get a value of $81.50. Honestly, it isn't bad. We paid $39.50 for it without any coupon code. If you have a coupon code, of course, it makes it a little bit sweeter. So it is double of what you are paying, which I have to say is a lot better than the larger one. This one you paid $60 and you got a $75 value. I mean, this one honestly made no sense to me. The price point had to be brought way down to about $30 to where I think that one was worth it. And I would say if you are choosing between the two of them, you definitely don't need both because there was 5 repeating colors inside of the smaller version. So that's almost half of the colors. And inside the smaller version, you actually get full-size products. So that's why I think this one is actually my favorite of the two. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!